My video guide will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the new adware type application, which is called LegendDeploy. This LegendDeploy is the adware that is from the adload family. This adware, once installed, starts displaying the tremendous amount of intrusive ads not related to the sites that you actually visit. LegendDeploy adware actually attacks Safari browsers primarily, even though other browsers may also be attacked. LegendDeploy adware, once installed, starts showing the tremendous amount of pretty intrusive ads not related to the sites that you visit. Also, this adware may periodically redirect you to many shady and deceptive pages in the internet. If you have found this LegendDeploy adware to be the part of your Mac, check your Finder, check your applications. When you find this LegendDeploy, right-click on it and move it to the trash. If you see any other unfamiliar programs, remove them too. I would also recommend that you thoroughly investigate your system with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the official page combocleaner.com. Download the program through this official website, install the software, and then begin researching your system with its help. After you successfully download and install Combo Cleaner, this is the way it looks like. By the way, Combo Cleaner is available both for Mac and for Windows computers. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode. So click on Start Combo Scan button. First of all, the program should update its anti-malware database for proper detection and removal of any malware. Even in the trial mode, there are certain free features. They are Disk Cleaner, Big Files, and Duplicates. Even these three free features will help you to essentially improve the performance and the general speed of your computer. Combo Cleaner is powerful enough to detect and delete threats like adware, browser hijackers, ransomware, all sorts of unwanted pop-ups, browser redirections, online scam, and other threats. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were found. You will be able to know their locations, but I recommend that you consider upgrading to Premium as the best solution to keep your computer free of any other threats.